Okay, now we can get started. Yes.
Hello guys, my name is Aaron. I'm the owner of the SmartBot-Scalping platform. I'm living in Cyprus. Also, my company is based in Cyprus. And I will show you now a little bit about my platform, what I'm offering, and what you can profit out of my platform. I will share my screen 1 second. So as you can see, guys, this is my platform. On the platform, we offer 5 different trading bots. The trading bots I can show you also. These are the trading bots, different bots with different automated strategies. You can choose each trading bot with low risk or high risk settings. Low risk settings make about 0.5 to 1% profit a day. High risk settings make like 1 to 3% profit a day. And we have also security mechanisms built in these strategies. It's in total 3 security mechanisms. The first security mechanism is a trend filter that the bot takes most of the time, only trades based off the trend direction on the gold market. Okay, so for example, when gold is bullish, the bot buys only. When gold is bearish, the bot sells only. Then we have also volatility filter. Volatility filter means when volatility is getting too high in the market, the bot is adapting to the current market condition and calms down the strategy so that the strategy is not trading so aggressive anymore. And the third mechanism is the security hard cut. The security hard cut cuts the strategy losses at a specific amount of percentage loss, floating drawdown. The loss gets realized to secure the capital from bigger losses, okay? But the security hard cut takes 2 to 4 times a year, happens 2 to 4 times a year, because this volatility filter and trend filter is working together and keeping the hard cut on a very, very low amount, okay? A little bit more what you can earn from my platform, guys. I don't only have 5 trading bots here in the platform. I also have an integrated 12 level affiliate system, okay? In this 12 level affiliate system, you can earn on lot volume and rebates 12 levels deep from profit shares, and from the rebates we get on the broker $40 per lot. Also, we have not only the 12 levels deep, we have also the Infinity Master position. Infinity Master pool takes a specific amount of percentage out of every Infinity level and puts it into the Master position, and this gets splitted to the affiliates that qualify for it. The exact numbers we can send you in the WhatsApp group, the PDF file with the exact numbers, or someone else can show here. Let me show you a little bit about the results of our trading bots now. 1 second. You can see we have here my FX book track records. We have backtesting results. We have investor screenshots from their accounts. For example, this one of these guys here, he's since 1 month on the trading bot. He deposited $10,000. He has 91% in profit. Some of our MetaTrader accounts where you can see how much capital we are managing on the MetaTrader, how much profits here, for example, also 100% profit already on the account. Some feedbacks, but let us go to the MyFX book at the moment from the Alpha bot right now. 1 second. Here you can see the Alpha bot. We have a little security hard cut, okay, little security hard cut on high risk, 548% profit still on the account. We have also the backtesting results here. What you can download, for example, this in 2.5 years, $1,000 deposit to 34,000 account growth in just 2.5 years. And also on 5.5 years, 1,000 euros to 4 million euros with a nice compounding effect, because this is what our strategies is interesting for. We have an amazing compounding effect. Once you leave your capital for compounding, that means, for example, the bot makes 50% profit, okay, after 1 month. You leave the 50% profit in the bot for also working with the bot. That means then the bot makes profit on the profits, profits on the profits, and it happens a compounding effect, what gives an exponential growth on the capital. Okay. And now what can you expect when you, for example, register on my platform? And let me show you quick how the process will be and how it will look like once you are connected to the bot. Okay, this is my platform. Once a client wants to register on the platform, he simply clicks open account. He registers at the same time also on the broker account. So registration takes 1 minute on my platform and also on the broker account. No KYC needed. KYC is only needed for withdrawing. Then he's registered, his account is set up, but then he wants to connect to the bot. He simply choose one of the bots, choose the risk settings, low risk or high risk, put at least $100 into test, and then he's connected. Takes maximum 5 minutes, and then it will look something like this. This is our SmartBot trading dashboard. You can see the pro trading bot running on gold, 89% win rate, $23,000 in profit. With a nice graph here, you can see also the trade history where you can also see transparent all the trades that the bot took. And yeah, this is something like somehow the trading dashboard look. And you can imagine our trading bots make almost everyday profits. Of course, we have security reasons at some time where we get a hard cut on low risk on 10%. But these hard cuts happens from experience 2 to 4 times a year. Every other day is only profits, okay? And if you log into your dashboard, you see everyday profits, everyday profits. Of course, this is a huge emotional impact, means your investors will deposit more, and also they will bring more people in the platform because of this amazing performance, right? So guys, do you have any questions?
Guys, any questions?
This was basically all to the platform.
Yeah, I like it. It was very short and sweet. Like 10 minutes, you explained everything.
Again,
Yeah.
for the exact numbers, we
Roman,
can share the PDF file. Yes,
Oh,
Fagan,
yeah.
they
please.
share his last can they history? He was sharing big account for how long?
I didn't understand. Again, please.
Yeah, Yash, again, please. Your
आमिर
connection
भाई
is
आप बताना
your
हेलो
connection is unstable.
आप हिंदी में पूछो यश
ये बोल रहा हूँ उनसे बोलो ये अपनी हिस्ट्री
I felt like he asked
trade
about longer
बोल रहा
history stats for trading.
yes he's asking about the history like since you are using this account, so is there any history track
Yeah,
record?
we can share all in the WhatsApp group, all the MyFX books, all the backtesting results. I can send the PDFs. It's 6 years old, where you can see we never had any losing days on the 6 years. Maybe like one hard cut, but then every other day is profits, right? We can send all the informations in the WhatsApp group, and also the PDF with the exact numbers where you can see how much exact percentage you will get from the levels below you. I can tell you it's about up to 70% what you get.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did you mention the yield on every bot and strategy, more or less?
Again,
It's
the
like
yield.
if it's low risk strategy, which is conservative, it's around
Yeah.
up to 1% daily, but depending on the trade for sure. And from Monday to Friday, because he trades
Yeah,
only
exactly.
gold.
Exactly. On low risk settings, you can calculate with like 0.5 to 1% profit a day. And the maximum security hard cut, what can happen is 10%. And like I said, maximum security hard cut happens from experience 2 to 4 times a year, but every other day is profits, right? For example, if a security hard cut happens, you need like 2 weeks to recover this hard cut. But the good thing is your capital is secured. We are not risking like other strategy providers. We are not risking the whole capital,
To
right?
blow account, that's what you
Yeah,
mean.
of course.
Not to blow the whole account.
We don't want anyone to blow their accounts. This is why we secure the capital for bigger losses, right?
And if you guys choose a high risk strategy, progressive, so the hard cut can be up to 20%. Yeah, like drawdown. If it goes to 20%, it will be stopped the trading. And it happens, as you say, from 2 to 4 times a year. Everything else you can get profit because all bots are scalping strategy. So that's why we generate a lot of lots on the broker. I guess it's
Exactly.
clear, right?
Yeah, exactly. My trading bots are also generating incredible amounts of lot volume because, as you know, we get paid from the broker like $40 per lot, and my bots generate like depends on the market volume, but you can calculate with 500 lots to 3,000 lots in a huge volume per month on $40 per lot. So, for example, let's take 1,000 lots a month with $40 per lot. What we get is yeah, 40,000 on each 100K capital, right? On 1
It's
million, it's already like 400,000 capital, 400,000 what we get paid from the broker. But on top of that comes after 2 months, we take also the profit split because right now the platform is completely available for free. The client don't need to pay anything. The client can keep 100% of their profits. But after 2 months, we will also start to take a 25% performance fee. And this gets also spreaded in the compensation plan. Okay.
the good thing that here compensation plan is based 100% on lot size and later on in 2 months on performance fee. There's nothing has to do with our deposits. Deposits are only for your funds stay in your account, your broker account. Okay, that's clear, I guess, to everyone, right, guys?
I have a question, Aaron.
Yes, please.
Before you mentioned that the strategy has been in winning for the past 6 years, which bot is this?
The impulse scalper, for example.
Impulse you
But
recommend, yes.
yeah, but I'm updating the MyFix books. I can send in the WhatsApp group all the MyFix books, the backtesting results. I will send it after the call.
Okay.
It's good to know because as far as we have 5 bots, people will always ask which one is the best one to choose. We recommend them Nitro Scalper and like high risk progressive strategy because everybody wants to go for higher profits, higher yields, and Impulse is also good, right?
Actually, every bot is good, but I would recommend like put at least like $100 in each bot, test it, let it sit for like how long you want, couple of weeks, take your time to test. But of course you will like it because at least after 1 month you will have a very nice profit on the account. Okay, of course, like when you start now, a maximum hard cut can happen. You have like maybe minus 10% on low risk, but then wait 2 weeks, it's recovered, and then the profits will come steadily, slowly. But also, it doesn't mean that the hard cut needs to happen. You can start now and have for 4 months no hard cut. Every day would be a profit because, like I said, the strategy adapting to the market. That means once the volatility getting too high, it's trading not so aggressive anymore to secure also the capital, right?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, any other questions, guys? Take advantage. We are actually recording this, so you can also share with your downlines, with your partners.
Okay, so is there any specific broker you are using, or we can choose anyone?
No, the broker we are using is Tauro Markets. Tauro Markets is based in Cyprus, Dubai. They have also other offices around the world. They are well regulated in St. Vincent, Mauritius. They have multiple banking licenses. The funds for the clients are very safe on the broker. And yeah, the owner, the CEO, is also like one of the CEOs is always open to meet like leaders in Dubai. You can go in the Dubai office to meet the one of the CEOs to get a little bit more trust if one of you want to do that, right?
Yeah, and I will add also, guys, before I met Aaron through the other guys who I know more than 4 years, just this January I was in Dubai and I was in Tauro Markets office because I have my account in Tauro Markets before I joined the SmartBot. So for me, the broker is like a real one, transparent, as you say, all licensing is there. And in January in Dubai office, Business Bay, I met Alexander Ölfke, one of the CEOs. There's a group of people. And yeah, you can check out on the broker as Aaron said. If you're in Dubai or any other country where they have their office, you can always even talk to them. Alexander is very open talk to especially big clients if they want to come with big capital. There can be a private talk between them and Aaron, for example, because he's applying his bot trading solution on their system, running on their broker. And Aaron, you have a special, we have to say that you have a special agreement with Tauro. That's why they pay $40 per lot, because not every broker will give you that amount of lot in dollar. Usually it can be 20 or above, sometimes up to 30. But yeah, you have to have a big community. You have to have a lot of capital in the broker, so they can really provide you that high lot size payout.
Yeah, actually, I'm a very big Forex influencer on TikTok, and I stream there every day for 800, 900 people always. And this is how I bring already like 10 to 15 million volume in Tauro Markets, 6,000 people already that are using my bots. And this has a little trust for me on the broker. This is why we get such a high rebate payment. For example, on other broker projects, you get maybe like, if you have luck, $20 per lot, most of them paying like $10 to $15 per lot, at least, you know.
Up to 20 is possible to get, but you have to have a special agreement, and you have to say, and you have commitment at least for 1-2 months that you will bring some liquidity in. If not, you cannot get it. Unless this is a really regulated broker. If not, maybe they can give it for free. Yes. Okay, guys, any other questions? When related to the broker, you can check it out everything. For me, the broker has, like, everything is clear, everything is very transparent, and it's there.
I think all the
Thank you.
guys in the call are leaders. So maybe if you have the PDF with the table, with the levels about the lots profit, it would be nice to share with them.
Oh, let's share a little bit, at least 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So guys, actually yesterday I talked to his partner Eric, and they are still updating introducing some cool features into the marketing plan, because structuring that way, which is very important to tell now if you're all guys leaders here. The important thing that the business should be stable, even if it comes to lot size. What Aaron wants, that every leader really to be active and proactive, right, in the business, not just join with 2 legs and just live their happy life. The main point is we teach people, we show them how it works, we talk about the risks, and how everything is done, and that's why the marketing plan is really built for people who want to make good money. Yeah, based on the level system, based on the VIP ranking. The higher you go in ranking, the more profit you make. Okay, can you open this PDF?
I don't have it here right now. My speaker is there for it. Actually,
okay. Maybe
I
he
thought
can open.
Eric comes and shows the PDF.
Okay. Yeah, that's why.
Otherwise, we can put the PDF in the WhatsApp group.
We can put in the WhatsApp group, yes, guys, no problem. If it's not here.
Because anyways, it gets changed one more time this week, and then you have the final numbers.
That's what Eric told me. Told me. Okay, just the good thing for guys, you to understand that you can really make good money with a lot size. And for now, if you already have your account open, in the back office, you have a calculator. Like for example, I have now, here you see, I have my bot now open. Already 441 transaction in one week. You can see it. It's a lot. Can you imagine how much lot size is generated? And you can, here in the back office, you have calculator. It's just here, you see calculator, if you see my screen. Sorry, it's small. And in the calculator, you can put your deposit amount monthly, for how much time, what will be the final balance.
Yeah, look, I will show you a little bit from the...
you can show it. Okay,
from the
perfect.
calculator. We can go on affiliate here. For
But
example,
the affiliate is changing a little bit. Yes, it will be more perfect.
For example, let's talk with $1 million volume below you, okay? For example, we have like, second, how much volume you want to have? How much volume?
Mention one thing. People who didn't build businesses with the trading bot, they feel like it's not a lot of earnings we can get from the lot sizing. Bro, it's not that much. There is no direct commission, and matching bonuses. But here, guys, if you see how much you can get paid from lot, you will be surprised. Let's say people in your team, let's say 500 people at least.
Okay, 500 people with
Yes,
each $1,000 deposit is
for example,
$500,000
500,000. For a good leader,
team
it's nothing. Half a
team
million.
volume. This is
Yeah.
a monthly total of $12,000 on the uni level from 1 to 12. This is the average, okay? And on the VIP, it's 70,000. So about, yeah, like
80,000.
it's a range, right? You have to read the text here also.
Yeah.
About $500,000 team volume in your team volume below you. It's a uni level from 1 to 12, about 12,500, okay? But then from the VIP master position comes also 72,000, right? It's an average, it's a range, but this is how the payment will be from this team volume below you, from only $500,000 in your team volume. But why? Because, like I said, we get a really high rebate payment, $40 per lot, and we get also huge volume from the bots, because my trading bots are made for generating huge volume amounts, okay? And yeah, we can also, guys, increase it if you have
But
now
also,
like
let's mention, sorry to interrupt you, this security things that you already built in the compensation plan, guys. That, for example, minimum investment is $100 because it's cent account, but your partner will be counted as active if it has at least $500 in his account. If it's less, he's not counted as active. So it means if you involve 500 whatever, even 2,000 people, but with $100, $300, but not 500, this volume does not count. This is important to understand. And I think it makes sense when you come to an investment and trading business. $500, it's minimum you have to invest to be really successful in trading. $100, this is not really making a business.
Yeah, we can also like put 10x on the capital now. If you promote for like 10 months, for some leaders, they manage to bring more than 5 million. We can calculate now 5,000 people with $1,000 deposit is like on the uni level, 124,000 each month, and from the VIP level, it's about 1 million a month, 1.1 million in profit every month, just because you have $5 million team volume in your structure, right? And this is amazing because, like I said, I'm the owner of the platform. I'm not taking like huge amounts of percentage from me. I'm giving 70% of that in the compensation plan. So not you only will earn, but also the affiliates, the leaders below you will earn incredible amounts of that, because like I said, I pay 70% of the volume in the compensation plan and take only 30% for the company, right?
Yeah. The second bonus, guys, is based on VIP level difference, ranking difference. So the higher you go in ranking, the higher it's typically we saw it in other companies, but the good thing here, it's based on lot size, not on some weird stuff, right? Out of the thin air. So here you can see, and actually you chose a conservative strategy, which is good to see the numbers. But for sure, guys, this is simulation. Yeah, let's be mindful and realistic. Because not everyone will build with 5,000 people even maybe in the first 1 year, and then depends what amount they will join. But for example, as far as I told all my partners from now, if you really want to join the business, start at least with $500 or $1,000 bot. Just try to test, not like $100 test. Okay, you can do it, no problem. But try it with 1,000. You can stop the bot anytime. You can withdraw your funds from your Tauro Markets account anytime. So nothing is blocked. There is no commission involved, upfront or whatever. Nothing is there, right? Aaron is not charging anything. No licensing, no hidden fees. So yeah, $1,000 is working for you. You don't like it, you get out. That's it. Or you change to another bot. Yeah, that's the good thing. That's what I actually doing today. I'm changing to another strategy, and it's so cool that you can move money, or you can open another strategy and deposit extra money. It's up to you how you want to do it. So, and I feel like this business, guys, is very simple, very easy. It's not mathematically or token. It's just so easy. There is not. It's like in other businesses we see something complications, right? When they say, yeah, we deduct this, we deduct that, we charge commission and withdrawal every week or every 5 days or every blah 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 24 hours. Here we don't have none of these restrictions. I would call them restrictions or conditions. It's real broker, real trading, a real trading solution. And we have here Aaron, who is the developer and programmer and trader. So yeah, that's it. We can also share Aaron with them who don't know you, your TikTok account. You can guys subscribe because you need more subscribers. Why not? More followers. And you can see his live streaming and see how it works. I don't know if any other question, guys, because we're recording, so it's okay not to make it too long.
One more thing. On the previous call, I remember one of the guys told us you are planning to charge something in the near future to use the
Performance fee.
strategy
No,
performance
he
fee.
just said that in 2 months there will be performance fee 25% for the investor, and
Okay.
it will be redistributed also in the marketing plan. That will be extra bonus for us, actually, because
Extra
he will
bonus.
give it away
Okay.
to the community. But he wants that the investor, because if the investor joins for free, like now, he pays no license, nothing. You deposit your money in the broker, there's no charge, there's no commission, no fee involved. So he will charge this performance fee as every trader does, yeah. And 25 is very reasonable. Some traders charge 30%, 40, even 50 split. So here it's only 25. If the board perform really well, so it makes sense, and it makes sense for us because this money gets back to us as partners. So that's how it's supposed to be, so we can make more money. Yeah, guys, any questions?
Everything is okay. Thank you, Ramik.
Okay, welcome, Marco. Welcome, everyone. Yash, or
Yes,
who's there?
brother, everything is okay.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Amir, if you have any more questions. If not, guys, it's clear. As I told you before, we
दीपक
set
भाई
the
आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है?
as I told you guys, I will just remind on this
आपसे ही
call because
पूछ लूंगा भाई, पहले प्लान तो आ जाए.
it's okay, Hindi. I love our international, multicultural, multi-language calls. Guys, so on Friday, we're gonna have the same call, but 3 hours later. So it's gonna be 6 p.m. Turkey, Cyprus. It's 7 p.m. Dubai time. So it's easier for you to calculate. 7 p.m. Dubai. And we are fixed already with Aaron that every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're gonna have these fixed timings, 7 p.m. Dubai time. So you will be able to bring your leaders. But I will recommend you, that's what I'm doing. I'm calling every leader by myself, explain the business, show my account if it's needed, but explain how the business works. So once they come here, they can refresh the information. They can talk to Aaron, see who is this guy that I talked to him on the call. I met Aaron, he's in Cyprus, he's German, he built the system. Okay, bye. When I meet him, so he come to the call, he understands the business. Because if you bring people very fresh without any previous information, probably it will be even more difficult for them to get the business, and it will make a lot of basic questions. So to avoid this, let's make it more professional. Let's introduce the business before at least 10 minutes and bring them to the call. Yeah, 3 times a week we will have these fixed timings. Unless you have some important leader or group of leaders that you want to bring them and some extra timing, we can also fix it with Aaron, but it should be, guys, in advance, because Aaron is having now around 20 to 30 calls per day. He's busy with his TikTok, he's busy with trading, and now leaders are going crazy about the business. So it's not easy to catch him and to bring him on the call. That's why he's getting official speakers on behalf of him.
आमिर भाई इनसे
Okay.
पूछो कि हम बड़ा करेंगे पूरा एशिया मार्केट में, पूरा एशिया मार्केट हम लोग ही कैप्चर करेंगे, और उसके लिए क्या कहते हैं ये
Yes, are you talking to us or you talking to someone else? Just not to.
I talk Amir Chauhan. He will translate you.
Okay. Because if not, I would love to stop recording so we can keep it like this, and if you want to ask something
stop
else,
recording.
okay. Because it's